So you remember I said I love the taste of celery and I think it's the most underrated vegetable and has such a delightful flavor. And I always wondered if celery soda tastes like celery. We're gonna find out because Lynn went and bought me celery soda. Which interestingly has a picture of the Brooklyn Bridge on it, which is interesting. Of opening day of the Brooklyn Bridge, it appears 69. I don't know why it has a picture of the Brooklyn Bridge. You know, you guys remember that I have a family connection to the bridge. From 19th century genius to 21st century idiot. My great-great-grandfather was John Roebling. So here we go. Doesn't really smell like celery. Oh, it's a nice color. Vicky, come here. I don't think you would know it was celery.
It doesn't taste like celery?
No, I don't think you would know. It's delicious, but I don't think you would know.
It smells kind of peppery.
It's not, celery is not peppery.
Right.
Right.
I'm saying it doesn't smell like celery to me.
No. Disappointing. Doesn't taste like celery.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Something.
There was a hint of celery.
So it was at the bottom of the can.
Maybe you're supposed to swirl it. Does it have celery in it? Celery seed extract.
That's close enough.
I mean, it doesn't taste like celery. Wow, I guess that's a mystery I wish had been left a mystery. It's very good, but it's not celery.
All right, sorry, couldn't help.
So glad I have 5 more cans.